Hello students, today I came for class 11 to class 12. I will start new chapter, file handling. In this chapter, I will teach you what is a file, what are the different types of file, how we will open and close the file. These 3 points will be discussed in this video. Now let us see first file. As you know, to store the data and information. These data and information can be stored only with the help of files. Without creating a file, no one can save a single character inside the computer system. So, the concept of file is very important for us. In computer system, concept of file is very important. I have told you why it is very important because no any characters can be stored without a file. So we will study about the file. What is the file? Computer provides facility to store the information through the file, and these files are stored inside the storage device. The storage device may be hard disk, may be CD, may be pen drive, and etc. Here one point, file always stores data inside the system permanently. File never stores data temporarily. File always stores data and information inside the storage device permanently. So when you want to save your data permanently for the future use, then you will use the concept of file. Alright, now let us define file. A file is a place inside a storage device with a specific name and stores data permanently. The specific names means every file has certain names, and this name is divided into two parts. First, user provided name and second, extension name. The naming system of the file can be understood into two parts. How? The naming system of the file includes two concepts. First, name that is provided by the user to a file, and the name that is provided by the application in which you are creating the file. The application in which you are creating the file is known as extension name. The name provided to the file with the help of application program is known as extension name, and these extension names are used to understand which type of file by the operating system. Means operating system uses the extension name of the file to access the file. Alright, and the user provided name is used to access the file by the user. Since every programming language uses the concept of file to access the file, so Python also do this. Now let us see what is a data file. A data file are the files that stores data pertaining to a specific application. Specific application for special type of uses. Now let us see the types of data files. Data files can be stored into two ways. First, text file, and second, binary files. I will explain these two types of file for you. Friends, now let us see comparative study of text file and binary file. I am going to explain the concept of text file and binary file in the tabular form. First, a text file stores information in ASCII character or Unicode character. Remember, every text file stores information in Unicode system or ASCII system. As we know, every character has some specific code. So text file stores information in Unicode or ASCII code system. However, in binary file, data and informations are stored in binary system. I mean in the form of 0 and 1 directly. Okay? Alright. Second, in text file, each line of text is terminated with a special character that is known as end of line. End of line character. The concept of end of line character is used only in the text file. End of line means when you are writing something, then end of line character says the current line is going to finish and new line is going to start. Alright, then the text file uses the concept of end of line character. Generally, by default, this end of line character is indicated by the /n or /r. However, in the binary file, no special character is used to change the line. I mean, in binary file, no special character is required to terminate the line or end of line. Now let us see third point. In text file, internal translation takes place when this EOL, end of line character, is read or written. It means as well as you uses end of line character, then some internal translations are performed by the interpreter. However, in the case of binary file, no any internal translation occurs. This point can be understood as follows. Since text file uses the concept of Unicode system, ASCII code system, so to execute these files, it must be converted into the binary format because system performs any application, any files in the binary form. However, binary file informations are already written into the binary number system. I mean, in the form of 0 1, so it does not require any kind of translation. Fourth point, let us see the fourth point. Text files are used to store the information written by the user. However, binary files are best to store the program information. These are the comparative study of text file and binary file. The next topic is opening and closing a file. The most important topic from examination point of view is opening and closing the file. If you are going to use the concept of file in your Python program, then it is very essential to know how will you open and close a file. In this reference, when you will go to work with file, then first of all you will have to open the file in a specific mode. It means before using the concept of file in the Python program, be sure why you are going to use the file. Purpose, it means purpose. Purpose must be clear. I mean, you are going to write the data in the file, or you are going to read the data from the file, or you are going to append the data into the file. So, clear your purpose before using the file. In a file, the most basic File manipulation tasks are addition, modification, and deletion of data in a file. In other words, we can say you can perform the following operations or combination of operations in a file, and these operations are reading data, writing data, and appending the data. In the next video, I will explain how you will read the data from the file, how will you write the data into the file, and how will you append the data into the file. Thank you, students.